welcome to my second unboxing vlog. So, naghintay tayo ng mga ilang weeks and today I'm gonna show you the items that I purchased through Zalora and Lazada. Ayan, so random order to ha. This one is from Lazada. Okay. So, this one is shorts. Tada! Ayan. So, I think I purchased this for only 80 pesos. It's a flash sale. Hindi ko lang alam kung kakasya siya, pero the size is large. Ayan. Okay naman ang fabric. Hindi naman siya ganun kanipis. Hindi rin siya ganun kakapal. Pero for less than 100 pesos, I think it's okay. Pag hindi kasya sa akin, doon na lang sa dollar ko. Next, from Lazada also. This one is 692 pesos. I think this is the shiny leggings. Ayan. Shiny nga. Pang workout ito. And this one, and I'm just going to wear this in Shangri-La. Pakita ko, may vlog ako doon sa stay namin in Shangri-La this 30th or 31. Ayan, I'm gonna wear this. Next, we have okay, this one oversized t-shirt is only I think 200 something. Not sure kasi I purchased this via Gcash. Okay, so eto siya. Taran, oversized, shimmering din, pero manipis. And this one, magkakaroon lang ako ng problem na pag going to wear this at lalagyan ko ng sando, parang hindi na rin siya ganun kaganda. Pero let's see. Yan. Next, this one is from Zalora. And this is worth 549 or 79 pesos. Nobody is helping me open. Okay. This one is from Bench. Help. Lagay siya sa box. Ayan. Bench online store. Can you help me again with this? Ang hirap buksan. Oh my God. Ayan, I destroyed the box already. Here's what I got. This is a black sports bra from Bench. Yan. So, may kapartner na yung shimmering na leggings ko. Yan. So, I'm going to show this to you in our Shangri-La trip. Or check it. And the last one, ito matagal na to, but I just decided to open this now. So I ordered this from Zalora. It's worth 387 pesos. And this is really intended for my Shangri-La check-in. Because I'm going to wear this in our wedding anniversary. So one thing that I like from Zalora is that they have good packaging. Yun nga lang mahirap buksan. But this one is also good. Ayan. So this is a red dress that I'm going to wear in our dinner date. Ayan. So it's a simple off-shoulder dress that I can wear in our dinner date. Taran! Okay. So this ends our unboxing vlog. I hope you enjoy.